So here we go again, the so-called Alligator Alcatraz in the Everglades, now at the center of a lawsuit filed by a number of environmental groups today. Governor DeSantis wants to build a detention center. He's actually building it already for undocumented immigrants at a remote airport used for training. Environmental groups say, though, the project puts wildlife and wetlands at risk. Fox 13's Brianna Ardondo is watching this for us in our newsroom. Hi there, Brianna. What are the environmentalists calling for specifically in these lawsuits?
Hey, Mark. So two attorneys bringing this lawsuit say that there needs to be an impact study and land use change, but they allege neither of those things happened before construction started. Tonight, they argue Alligator Alcatraz could do more harm than good.
More than 3,000 illegals can be processed through here.
Governor Ron DeSantis gave Fox News a tour Friday of the new detention facility the state is building for undocumented immigrants in the Everglades, the so-called Alligator Alcatraz.
All the stuff that goes into intake and processing of illegals, you're seeing this put up. This is all 24 hours. 24 hours from now, you're going to see even more. And by Tuesday, this will be able to have intake of illegals.
Environmental groups are fighting back.
We filed suit today because several federal, state, and local agencies failed to comply with federal and state environmental and land use laws.
Jason Totoy with the Center for Biological Diversity is one of the attorneys behind the lawsuit. He says those laws require an environmental impact study and public comment. So they want the judge to pause construction so they can go to bat against the state and federal governments in court.
The law that we filed suit under, the National Environmental Policy Act, was created by Congress to make sure that our government didn't recklessly move forward with a project without understanding what the consequences to our environmental resources would be.
The facility is building out at the Dade Collier Training and Transition Airport, a remote site used for training and military touch-and-goes. Environmental groups argue the construction brings waste concerns, equipment, and thousands more people, disturbing sensitive wildlife.
It's a source of clean drinking water. It provides wetlands to help buffer from storms, and it supports a whole host of endangered and threatened species that are native to the state of Florida.
But DeSantis argues there's no risk to the Everglades.
It isn't like we're going to start doing permanent sewer and all that. It's all temporary. We set it up, we break it down.
Two groups, Friends of the Everglades and the Center for Biological Diversity, are both filing this lawsuit. They argue that it doesn't make sense to invest millions of dollars in preserving the Everglades and then to build a detention facility for thousands.